In this video, I am going to discuss about Morisson's approach or unit approach. This approach is associated with the name of the Professor H.C. Morisson of the University of Chicago. Morisson has explained the unit method in detail in his book, The Practice of Teaching in Secondary School. The unit method is very popular and frequently used in USA. The unit approach is based on the growing acceptance of the Gestalt organismic field theories of learning, which emphasizes the wholeness nature of learning. The steps of unit approach are overview, background, presentation, motivation, summarization, drill, review, organization, and evaluation. Steps of major elements of unit approach. Overview. This implies the consideration of the needs of the student while formulating the objectives of teaching. Background or inventory or exploration. This element is concerned with exploring the entering behavior of the student. The teacher is required to establish the behavior reporter by linking the new knowledge with the previous knowledge of the students. Presentation. This element is concerned with providing new experiences to the learners. It includes an analysis and presentation of the elements of teaching unit in a logical sequence so that they are helpful to the student. With a view to encourage student participation in teaching, question-answer strategy is employed. Motivation. This element of teaching unit is concerned with the creation of motivational situations to facilitate learning. Summarization. This element of the unit is concerned with providing a summary of the unit. Drill. This element provides an opportunity to the students for drill or practice which enables them to retain longer what is learned. Review. This implies giving the silent features of the unit orally. Organization. This element involves giving assignments to the students to organize their learning experiences of their own. Evaluation. This element of the teaching unit consists of ascertaining how far the teacher has been successful in achieving the objectives of the lesson. That is, to what extent students have grasped the content and developed meaningful behavior. Merits of unit approach. It is based on Gestalt psychology, which emphasizes the wholeness nature of learning. Since the subject matter is divided into small units, it leads to easy comprehension. In the unit approach, learning does not remain just memorization, it develops understanding. On account of the delineation of the learning contents and specification of the unit objectives, teaching and learning becomes more objective. Division of the learning material into small units and subunits makes the task of teaching learning easy, interesting, and simple. All the steps in the unit approach are directed to achieve the desired mastery. This approach encourages the habit of independent and self-study among the students. By providing adequate opportunities to the students to remain active, this approach leads to healthy interaction between the students and the teacher. Learning process becomes organized, systematic, and sequenced. Limitations of unit approach. Unit approach is time-consuming. This approach is more suitable in the case of intelligent students. This approach puts heavy demands upon teachers. The present day syllabus is very heavy, and with this approach it is very difficult to complete the entire syllabus in time. Now try this. Prepare a detailed lesson plan on any of the topics related to the current syllabus of your favorite school subject of your state following Morisson's approach.